Hey, this is Chef Quaid, and today we're going to be making a baked oatmeal. Our baked oatmeal recipe is gluten-free, egg-free, dairy-free except for the butter, and FODMAP friendly.
Oh, God.
Some of the ingredients will be some chocolate chips. You have to make sure they're FODMAP friendly. Our milk substitute. This is Quaker oats, baking powder, a spray for the pan, maple syrup, brown sugar, and our whatever egg substitute you please.
Ooh, look at that butter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. How's it taste?
Really good.
Actually,
Yeah.
we did it. We made the baked oatmeal.
That's good,
It's
right?
actually good.